Alright, this is also modernized today on the 24th of July 2023. We have Porthaninkatu, Porthaninkatu 9 staircase A here in Kone, Helsinki, and Finland. And the capacity here is 3 persons, so 2 and 4 persons with 6 floors, and it was built in 1961 by Hissinhuolto, turned 60 years old in 2021, and modernized in 1999 by Kone with, well, Kone I'm outside, but in the staircase PCND they have no one outside.
Yeah.
But strangely they chose Kone here.
Yeah.
That's probably the beginning of 1999. And this number is H547. You can take 2 rides here. But it's a small disappointment because it was not known.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2025, and the motorcycle will be 25 years old in next year, 2024.
Inspected by lift institute, maintained by Spawn Hissi.
There's a door open button.
Yeah.
But it's not in your... Oh!
It's,
You can cancel by pressing it.
yeah.
But that door open button was completely needless because there is no indoors.
Yeah. Oh.
Now it doesn't.
Oh no.
I like that sound in this video.
Same.
So that's it, thank you very much.
I think they were going to install folding indoors here.
Yeah,
but,
yeah, oh yes, look at that.
Yeah.
True, by the way. They were going to do it, but luckily they didn't.
Yeah.
Because they were needless.
That's